Okay, it's recording.
Matimo, you want to get inside or not?
Matimo! Matimo! Utakunywa maji wewe?
Recording us, honey?
Yeah, I am. Uchunge.
Matimo, I ain't talking.
Stop it!
I'm not going to drop you, man.
Honey, wet his back.
Huh?
Take him down to wet him. Make him wet. Up to the neck. Funga mdomo we. Una need to get wet huku. You need to get wet, Matimo. You're burning. You're burning. Maybe you take him there and wet him. Honey? Matimo, unachomeka. Usikii? Wewe na wewe utaendaje huku? Huh? You better be careful.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. This is a tomboy, I'm telling you. I'm deadly well. Usiweke nini ya mdomo kwanza bado. Okay, umeweka.
Underwater?
Uko sawa, Maria? Okay. Uko sawa? Oh man, amekunywa maji mtoto. Unaona huyo mtoto amekunywa maji ya chumvi. Sophia, Maria is coming out again.
Okay, Maria. Where's your buoy?
He put on the mask.
Okay.
That's what I'm telling her.
I go on the water now.
Maria, have you ever used a snorkel before?
What?
You ever used a snorkel?